right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me a set of their gray men's sweatsuits. Open it up for you and show you what we have here. Ooh, I like the fabric feel so far. All right, so, wow, okay. So we got a little hoodie here and everything. Nice zipper, very nice. So that's our hoodie. I like the little gray and red. And then there's also the matching pants. So the size on these is 2XL. If you do get 2XL size, you get 2XL pants as well as a 2XL shirt. So I guess I'm gonna put these on and show you exactly what these look like. So this is the matching tracksuit. I'll say for it to be a 2XL all the way, fits very good. Like I got plenty of extra room in here, so that's nice. And nice pockets on each side of this. Got the pull strings for the hoodie. Oh yeah. And it's really warm. Like this morning, I think it's 60 something degrees here and it feels amazing. And also there is pockets over here. No back pockets or anything like that, but very comfortable. Phone fits and doesn't fall out. I really, really like it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.